Hi everybody, Lisa over at I Repair iDevices, and today my workbench I will be working on these Logitech speakers. These are the model Z200. They came in having audio issue, and when I mean audio issue, I am meaning broken wire. Customer dropped it off and asked me if I could repair this for them. So now when it comes to replacing any type of audio adapter, there are two things you need to pay attention on the replacement part is one, the proper size, and then two, the number of poles. Now, sizes, they come in a variety of sizes. You have a 2.5 millimeter size, 3.5 millimeter size, mono and stereo, and then also you have a 6.35 millimeter, which is your quarter-inch adapter. And then also, like I said a few seconds ago, that number of poles. You have a 2-pole, 3-pole, and a 4-pole. And when I mean poles, we'll look at this part here that's broken. When I say poles, this is a 3-pole, meaning that the top pole is going to be the left speaker, the middle pole is going to be the right speaker, and then the bottom is going to be the ground. Now, on a 4-pole, it could be used one way is it will be left speaker, right speaker, microphone and ground, or left speaker, right speaker, video, and then ground. So those are the two specifications you really need to pay attention to when you're replacing the part. So like I said, this is going to be a 3.5 millimeter 3-pole replacement. So here is my replacement part, and it's just going to be a quick replacement. All I need to do is just strip out the wires from the old from the original cable, and then just solder it onto the proper terminals here. So now I want you to look at this long pole here is going to be my ground. All right there, this is going to be my ground, and this bottom pin right in the middle here, this guy right here, this is going to be for the top pole, and then this guy right here, this is going to be the middle pole. And I already looked at the wiring configuration, so from this broken adapter, so it's going to be the white wire was attached to the bottom, the green was attached to the middle, and then the silver was attached, that was their ground. So yeah, let's get started. So like I said, I already stripped back the wires on the existing cable here. So, and I'm going to put this underneath the microscope. Let's get you the microscope view. There we go. First, let me put the casing onto the wire before I do anything. There we go. Got that already threaded through the wire. And as you can see through the microscope here, we have the wire laid out. We have the let's get you in here. All right. We have the silver, which is going to be my ground wire. The white is going to be the left speaker, and then the green is going to be the right speaker. So just twist this silver wire together because I want to get a good solder joint onto the adapter. Alright, and I'm just going to strip back some of the wire on the green and white to expose some of the copper underneath. this white string out of here. Okay, I have the wires exposed now, the copper, I should say, the copper exposed. So what I'm going to do now is just tin them up. So when I solder them onto the adapter here, they will make a good solder joint. Okay. Get my soldering iron here. Get my done, but there we go. And let's just trim some of this excess away. Right, so now I'm going to add some solder to the terminal itself. Let's put it in the holder. There you go. All right, so we got green is going to go there. White's going to go there, and then the ground is going to go there. Trim off some of that green, still a little too long for my liking, so all right, ground's in place. Oh, let's move them off to the side a little bit. There we go. Have to strip down some of that white. Let's see, it needs to go down there, so let's strip off. Okay. I had to shorten the wire there on the white, so I have to add a fresh, let's get this back on camera here, fresh thing of solder to the white. There we go. Let's put it back in the adapter here. And now I can go ahead and attach. You got it on camera? Yep. Go ahead and attach it now to middle terminal. And then now the last one is going to be ground, so let's get him down. There we go. Should have maybe done the ground first. Oh well. I'll get it tacked in place. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but I'll get it. There we go. Okay. Now let's trim off some of the excess ground I know I have there. Get my snippers here. There we go. All right, let's look at, I am happy with all the solder joints. I got the ground here. Got the ground. This is going to be the top pin, left speaker, and then this is going to be, the green wire is going to be the middle pole, which is going to be the right speaker. So everything looks good. Strong joints. Now let's go ahead and get the casing screwed in here, and then we're going to try it out. All right, so now it's all together here. Let's turn off the microscope view. There we go. All right, everything is all in the case, so now let's go ahead and try it out. So I have to go over to the desktop here and plug it into the audio jack, so see if it'll reach. Okay. The computer recognized it, saying you just plugged in a device, so I know I'm making a good connection there. So now let's try out the speakers. 1 second here. let's turn them on. And let's see. Gotta try to find free music here. I don't want to get in trouble with any type of copyright, so let's see. All right, let's go to SoundCloud and all right, so we gotta change the setting on the computer. So all right, let's just put that on mute for a second. We've got to change the settings here to go to speakers. And now let's try. Nope, not the right settings. All right, let's go with these. There we go. Yep. Oop, a little loud there. Let's see. Let's turn it down. Yep, they are working. So this was a successful repair, and as always, I do hope you learned something from these videos. So yeah, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Help me out. I'm trying to get as many subscribers as possible. I'm going to be putting out a lot more videos on repairs and everything. So yeah, again, thank you for joining me and watching this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will go ahead and answer them. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks.